In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants in Squarespace. If you sell items that come in different sizes, colors, or styles. Variants let you keep everything under a single product listing while giving customers clear choices on the product page. Instead of creating multiple products for one item, you'll add options so shoppers can pick the exact version they want from simple drop-down menus. This keeps your store organized, speeds up checkout, and helps you manage inventory in one place. Start by opening your product in the editor. From your Squarespace dashboard, go to Pages, then head to the page that contains your store. Find the product you want to edit, hover over it, and click Edit to open the product editor. This is where you manage all core details like the title, price, images, and description. If you're setting up a brand new product, it's helpful to add a main image and base price first so you have context as you set the variants. Next, scroll down until you see the variants section. Depending on your version or template, this area may appear under or near the main product details. It's the dedicated space for options like size and color, and it's where you'll build the choices customers will see on the product page. Click the button to add variants. You'll be prompted to create an option name, such as size, color, or style. Keep names short and consistent, like using capitalized words without symbols. Then enter the values for that option, separated by commas. For example, under size you might type small, medium, large. Under color, add values like red, blue, green. These values become the selections customers make, so use clear, shopper-friendly language. After you add values, Squarespace automatically generates all the variant combinations. For each one, you can set a specific price, assign a SKU for inventory tracking, and set stock quantities. Make sure SKUs are unique and meaningful to your workflow. If you track stock, entering quantities helps prevent overselling and marks items as out of stock when they hit 0. Add weight and dimensions for accurate shipping rates, especially if options change the package. You can also attach images to specific variants so the main product photo updates when a customer chooses a different option. If variants already exist, you may see a Manage Options or Inventory Style prompt to edit these details in one place. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product page will now display drop-down selectors for the options you created, making it easy for shoppers to choose their preferred variant before adding the item to the cart.